Can a cruise essential change your life? Well, probably not, but I'm going to share with you the one cruise accessory that you're not going to want to cruise without. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're going on a cruise and you're looking for what are the items that you might want to bring on a cruise, you're going to absolutely love this video. I asked in my Facebook cruise community, what is the one cruise accessory that you just wouldn't want to cruise without? I got some amazing answers, and what I did is I organized this into a top 10 list. Now, some of the items on this list honestly did surprise me, and there are a couple of items that I haven't tried yet. There's even one genius cruise hack that I have to share with you. Now, before I get started with this top 10 list, I did want to mention that if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Coming in at number 10, we have an anti-theft crossbody bag. So yes, the Travel On crossbody bags that are actually slash proof. This has come in as one of the top cruise essentials, an item that you wouldn't want to cruise without. Now, in particular, if you are traveling to Europe, this is something that cruisers say is an absolute necessity. Now, if you're not sure why I mentioned that, I will leave a video at the end of this one. It's all about tourist scams and watch outs. Well, basically for cruisers when you're in cruise ports of call. I'm going to leave that at the end of this video and you will get the answer to that. Number 9 cruise essential that people cannot live without is the scopolamine patch. So basically that is a seasickness patch that you can wear behind your ear, and also along with the scopolamine patch, other items were mentioned that were related, so including Bonine and basically other seasickness medication. Number 8, the cruise lanyard. Yes, this was on a lot of people's list, something that they could not live without on a cruise. Now, another item that is very similar, so sometimes I did group things just a little bit, but is this waterproof phone case that is on a lanyard. This was something that a lot of people mentioned that was so handy, not only for on the cruise, but on shore excursions as well. Now, by the way, all of the items that I am mentioning in this video, I will leave all of the links to them down in the description below this video. Number 7. Now, this is still something that I do not have, and people have told me that this is just like gold. This is a Kindle. Yes, people have said that they cannot cruise without their Kindle, and it does have to be fully loaded up with books. Please let me know if you have the Kindle. I think that I'm going to have this on my gift giving list. Maybe somebody else will buy this for me. I think I'm going to have to get this Kindle. Number 6 item that people could not live without on their cruise was a non-surge protected power bar. And of course, many cruise ships still, the cabins just don't have enough electric outlets. Bringing a non-surge protected power bar does give you additional outlets to be able to charge your phone, charge your different items. Please let me know if you do bring a non-surge protected power bar on your cruise. Number 5, there are 2 favorites in here because they are pretty similar, I think, and they are the over-the-door organizer. People swear by this. They absolutely love it. People say they could just not feel organized without this, and other people also like to bring the hanging toiletry bag. Now, the hanging toiletry bag, personally, I bring this on every cruise. I just love it. What some people are saying is they find that when they pack it up with everything they need for the bathroom, then they just don't forget anything. They absolutely love the hanging toiletry bag. Now, we have 4 more left, and we are coming up on a couple that really surprised me. Plus, I am going to share with you that absolutely genius hack that I have never seen before. Well, I'm going to share it and show it to you. Number 4, the motion sensor nightlight. So nobody wants to stub their toe during the middle of the night, and that motion sensor nightlight is a big help. Now, other people said rather than the motion sensor nightlight, they brought a small flashlight. Some people brought tea lights. Some people used the sun-up light, but all of these are variations on a light that can be used for the nighttime if you do need to get up in your cabin. Number 3, a Yeti. Now, let me know if this surprised you, please. This really did surprise me. So many people love their Yetis. Of course, they bring their Yeti for the coffee in the morning time. They bring their Yeti maybe for cold drinks later on. So basically the Yeti is a thermal mug. People are absolutely swearing by their Yeti. They're using it every day at home, but they're bringing it on the cruise as well. Now, an alternative to the Yeti is the Contigo brand. Some people mentioned that, and other people just said that they do bring a refillable water bottle. So these are all variations, but please let me know, do you bring a refillable bottle? Do you bring a coffee mug on a cruise? And do you love the Yeti? Please let me know down in the comments below. Number 2, are you ready for it? It is the battery operated fan. Now, I knew that the battery operated fan is pretty popular, but the way the battery operated fan can be used in a cabin, well, I think that this is going to surprise you. So firstly, why do people need a battery operated fan? Well, it helps with airflow. It also helps with a little bit of white noise, people say, so they really like to have this fan. But the way a member of my community, now the way she uses this fan is absolutely genius. So what she does is she hangs that fan above the bed. It is a specific fan. And then what you do is you hang it using a magnet hook. You put that onto the ceiling, and then you have the fan that circulates the air right above your bed. Now, if I'm not mistaken, what you need to do is during the day, you would need to take it off and you would need to charge it and then put it back at nighttime. But I think this is absolutely genius. Now, if you are interested in that fan, I'm going to leave it linked down below in the description of this video. And I'm also going to leave the other fan that you could just put right on a desk. I'm going to leave that one linked as well, because I know that people absolutely love it. By the way, if you're interested in keeping organized for your cruise with cruise packing lists, cruise essentials lists, and more, I do have that included in the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner. Now, the LifeWell Cruise Ultimate Cruise Planner is a 47-page downloadable printable cruise planner that you can print out the pages that you need for every single cruise that you do go on. I will leave all of the information linked down below in the description of this video in case you do want to check that out. Okay, now before we get to number 1, let's go through a few runner-ups. So in the runner-up category, we have air tags, we have a clothesline, we have packing cubes, we have luggage tags, poopery, downy wrinkle release, and a white noise machine. Okay, are you ready? Please let me know if you guessed this one. The number 1 cruise accessory that people say they do not want to cruise without is the magnet hook. Yes, the magnet hook, because most of the time cruise cabin walls are metal, and those magnet hooks, people say that they are just, well, they are a bit of a lifesaver. They're great for hanging bathing suits. They're great for hanging hats. They're great for hooking a clothesline. They're just great for hanging all sorts of things. People are absolutely loving them. And of course, the clips are also something a lot of people say that they cannot cruise without, or they at least don't want to. Now, please let me know if your top cruise essential was included in this list. I do have a little bit of a bonus. One of the really great ones I thought was stretchy pants. That is definitely a cruise essential, and a very sweet one was anybody who said their wife, their husband, their son, their boyfriend, their mom, their friend. Very, very sweet. Those are definitely cruise essentials, or maybe cruise accessories. Now, I will leave the information all about the Ultimate Cruise Planner linked down below in the description of this video. And I am going to leave that video all about the tourist scams that you absolutely want to watch out for. I'm going to leave that video next. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now. Happy cruising.